Back on the road in Morocco. After a week with a local family, we are heading into Ouarzazate, exploring the city by night to escape the desert heat and then driving back into the Atlas Mountains.
Beautiful.
We are Melanie and Norman.
We are Vincent!
We left everything behind to travel Africa in our old Mercedes van Mochi. A journey where every day writes the next chapter and you're coming with us.
Our last night's spot, we were very happy with it. It's super calm here. There is only a hotel next to us and there's another hotel just behind there. And the only thing that we can see are some deers. Let's see if they're already awake. Oh yeah. We're gonna have pancakes this morning. Melanie's already preparing them. And I will make some coffee now. And then we're gonna have a beautiful breakfast before exploring Ouarzazate today. How are the pancakes going so far?
I think they're going good.
Gonna make some coffee now. Normally we will have always some eggs with some bread. But when we go somewhere for longer, like we've been here for like the third day now, then for the second day, we have no more bread. And then we make often some savory oats for breakfast. And then on the last day, since we don't have so much eggs left anymore, we will always make some pancakes. So today is pancake day, because the third day that we are staying here, far away from civilization. Or I mean, far away from the supermarket. I put some amlou as a base.
Amlou and something else, huh? There are oats, flour, baking powder, 2 eggs, milk powder because we don't buy milk here, and water and oil. And I think that's it.
The view. It's 6 p.m. We were spending literally all day here on this camp spot because it was way too hot to go out and explore Ouarzazate. And that's going to be the second time that we're going to go, but this time we're going to explore it a little bit more in detail. And yeah, we're going to show you this. Later on, I think that we might come back here to this camping spot because the view is just absolutely magnificent. And I don't know if any other place can keep up with this. So we go and explore Ouarzazate and you're going to be with us.
You need someone to open your door?
Thank you. Cheers, bud.
You're welcome.
We've driven right through Ouarzazate to come to this beautiful viewing point up here where we can see all the nice panorama. So over there is Ouarzazate. And then when you look over there, that orange building there, that one is the Atlas Studios, the museum where you can visit. And when you look a bit further into that direction there, we can see that film set. They used this for Gladiator, Cleopatra and Pharaoh movies, The Mummy, for example. And over there, there's something very interesting. The Noor power plant or the Ouarzazate power station. And that is just huge. You can even see that from space. It's like so big and it has like many mirrors around it and they all concentrate that light towards that centerpiece and later on they transfer the heat from that one into energy. Super interesting. Beautiful view. Now we're gonna go back. Hopefully we don't make accident here because it looks a little bit rough here for Mochi. And yeah, enjoy Ouarzazate. We finally made it. We are in Ouarzazate now. The life during the day and the evening is totally different.
There is no life during the day. They're all sleeping, or at home, or working. And now they all come out during the evening.
Here's the big place where everything is happening. You can play some games, they're selling popcorn.
You can make henna.
A lot of things are happening.
But I think it's not yet. Because it's still hot and it's even more when it's dark.
The guy actually wanted our attention, but we didn't react. He was just there with a snake, so he wanted to do a little show, but...
Ah yeah, I didn't see the snake.
I could see the little tail of it. It interests me so much, but I don't want to support this, you know, because I love snakes, but it breaks my heart to see what they do with the snakes. Yeah, I don't want to support this. So here you can get your henna. There's a band starting to play. We'll show you what's happening. Wow!
Bon appétit!
He didn't make this. It tastes better like this. May I make one for you as well? Fresh mint. Look here, Cherie.
Looks good. Smells good. I think we found the food corner. Snack, pizza, tacos, pastiaco. Be careful, the car is coming. We find this snack morahi, and we met a guy. He stopped us and said, "Oh, you are the people who have the Mercedes." I said, "Yeah, I'm the guide from the cash bar we see before." And yeah, he said, "Oh, yeah, it's good. We stay here and see what they have to offer." And they have a lot of juice. And a lot of juice. An omelette. Ah, here, sorry. We got our drinks. And it seems to be more than expected, but he said that one is for free. So now we have to finish 2 drinks and a pizza each.
I'm already full after the avocado juice. It's so filling.
Again, 5 kilo here. And they actually just offer the drink to everybody. Extra drink. For free. It's like this. It's the house. They do this. That's what he said. The 3 women there are looking at me, smiling. So, let's go. I need to walk a little bit. My belly is exploding.
After exploring Ouarzazate until late, we were too tired to drive on. So we chose the simplest option, spending the night in the city parking lot.
Good morning. As you can see, we are still here. Nobody chased us away. It was very calm there. No noises at all. The traffic was very little. So we had a good and long sleep. Maybe it wasn't long enough because I'm on the way to find some bread this morning. And it's all empty. There's nobody here. The shops are all closed. So I'm trying my luck. Yesterday I saw a bakery there. Let's see if the one is already open. If not, then yeah, we probably have to go with an empty stomach.
Today we are taking the N23 road from Ouarzazate to Demnat. On paper it's just a few hours of driving, but for us it turned into a full day adventure with plenty of stops, views and little surprises along the way. Not long after leaving Ouarzazate we passed the Noor solar plant. It's huge, you can actually see it from far away with the mirrors glittering in the sun. From there, the road quickly climbed steeply up into the Atlas Mountains. At first, there was almost no one around. Just a few scattered houses, almost no villages, and the road itself, sometimes narrow, sometimes broken, but always manageable.
The drive from today is supposed to take 3 hours. We're expecting a little bit longer with Mochi because it's going quite uphill, and also Mochi is not so powerful here in the high altitude. But we really enjoyed the drive until now. It's very stunning with the mountains. The drive is the whole journey of today.
Further along, the scenery really started to change. The rocks became more colorful, the views more dramatic, and the river appeared, adding a touch of green to the valleys. And after enjoying all these mountain views, we made a short break at a local bakery to try something new.
So we see the kid with this glass and the red thing on top just when we parked the car, and we were like, we have to try this. We stopped in many shops to ask what is the milk and red things that people are drinking here. And then we find this just in the bakery. Now we're going to try. I think it's like yogurt, and they put grenade syrup on top. Maybe we take another one. Actually, it's like yamila, the drink we like to drink and that we find always in the shop. But this one is homemade, so it can't be better. We will need maybe 1 hour to 1.5 hours to go to Demnet. And there is some road walk. Hopefully we can make it before the dark. Yeah. The main goal is to be there before it's dark. But other than this, we are having fun!
Back on the road again, we still had quite a bit of driving ahead of us. The afternoon light made the mountains look even more beautiful, but we knew we would have to keep going if we wanted to make it before dark.
This must be the highlight of today. Wow! So cool. Wow. Absolutely, absolutely, absolutely beautiful.
Not too far from Demnat, we found what looked like the perfect roadside spot to relax for a while. But our plans changed pretty quickly.
It's very windy, but it's also very beautiful. And I'm really enjoying now that it's so quiet. It's quite a noisy environment in Mochi. So now, wow, it feels very good to be here now. There was just the two guys there walking over to us and telling us that it's not, or it's prohibited to stay here. So he said it's very dangerous for us, and we should go in the hotel just in the next village. And I asked him for what reason it is dangerous, but he didn't answer that.
So instead of staying put, we packed up and continued driving through the night. Not exactly what we expected, but part of the journey nonetheless.
We changed to here, which was our initial plan anyway. We wanted to have a quiet night, like the other days before. Let's explore tomorrow a little bit during the sunlight. Now it's very dark. The brightest thing is your phone in my face, buddy.
Sorry.
And,
Good night.
Yeah, good night. See you tomorrow.
We had a beautiful night here, surrounded by the trees. There is olive trees and trees that I have not really idea of what it is. But yeah, nice night here. Let's go. The city is very close. It's just there, but the road to go is a little bit bumpy. Last night we were a little bit like, whoa, where are we?
Can we just eat, please?
It's so good. It's so rich because of the oil which absorb all the flavor. It tastes so good. Hot, boiling hot, but very good.
This was very nice. I really like the onions, they were nicely caramelized. I think they put them on the bottom and then after they put the capsicum on top. Good one, good one, good one. But maybe with our full belly we cannot go and swim in the water.
Anyway, I'm not sure you can swim in the water.
My parents always told me we cannot go swim with full belly. You're gonna drown. If it's not a shark, then it's a full belly. The two dangers with the water.
But here we know there is no white shark.
Yeah, not yet.
Someone told us.
After lunch, we visited one of the most famous spots in the area, the natural bridge of Imi N'Ifri.
Yeah, this looks like a normal bridge, but when you look at there, you can see that it's actually a bridge made of the stone. Like the river is passing here now, is quite dry, and here it's a natural bridge.
We have almost reached the bottom and then we can see underneath the bridge.
Oh wow! Wow, this is impressive! It's huge! Oh. Wow!
We can actually walk underneath the bridge and go up on the other side.
All the way up to the city.
So we're gonna do this. There's still some cavemen around, so be aware. Well, you have to really be careful because there is no rail here. You do a misstep and then after you're just gonna fall down and it's finished. This should be the way up. Oh, it's beautiful.
It's getting super windy now. I think we back to the car. Wow, it's very dusty. We have to close the eyes.
You can do like this. I can look through my cap. No, it's okay. Now we are getting wet. It starts raining. I think this is a sign. We're gonna go back to Mochi. And then that's it for today. Next week we're gonna explore Marrakech. So that's gonna be the opposite of thunder and rain and a little bit freshness. It's gonna be hot, it's gonna be busy. So we hope you enjoyed this episode. If so, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe and leave a comment and see you next time. Bye bye.
I'm walking here tomorrow. I think I'm a good flipper.
like
Flipper.
SpongeBob.
Let's